Another Makita one, obviously in good condition. Rubbing. 2015. Reason why it's rubbing, not wear. It's actually been drove over. Somebody drove over it, they didn't see it. Right, where was I? Something's obviously been crushed or bent or something. Don't know what they drove over it with. A car, a lorry, a forklift. I was just told somebody drove over it. Haven't actually rubbed that bad. Yeah, just rubbed there. She's probably just, where's she rubbed? Yeah, there's the mark here. So there's where she's rubbing, and there's where she was crushed. So I'd imagine she was crushed like that, and she's expanded these two sides. So now she has play there. So that can be easily taken out with just a wee piece of paper. Or a wee thin piece of plastic if you had it even. I always use paper. It's quick, easy, and you can adjust it very simply. This one's been used close to the water. So she's rusted. Salt water never does these things any good. Right, give it a wee clean out here first. Right, once we're cleaned out, give the feel that we rub with some sandpaper as well, just so it's not rough. So there's where we're rubbing. So we want to move this field this way. And to move it towards the rubbers so that it's no longer rubbing there. That's where you're sitting. So we need paper or a packer down here. That's the only place the field is actually touching. So that's the only place we need the packer to sit on. Piece of paper. Make it whatever size you need. Slide that on. And obviously you could just replace the whole body. Change the clamshell. But I don't want to really risk buying a new clamshell and the thing's been drove over. There's no guarantee there's nothing else wrong with it. That should just slide on there. There we go. That'll push that over to this side. Reinstall your switch. Did a wee test. That's her nice and tight. It'll tighten up a bit more whenever I screw this down. Because it's sitting tight and no longer moving, it shouldn't wear away that paper. If it did wear away the paper, you could put in a plastic packer instead. Or just order up a new clamshell body. The bearing's actually not that great. Change that as well. 607. There's nothing to press these on. It's better. That's it. Install the head. There's actually have a fishing boat here in a local in the next village. So that's where there's a lot of rust. It's doing well for 2015 machine on a boat. That's her, ready to go.